Pag wala pang pera sa capital outlay construction ng Hall of Justice, sino dapat magpagawa?
Your Honor, pardon me, no, I would just like to say for the record na pagka wala pong mga facilities, if there are no facilities yet, and there are judges already appointed, well, of course, we determine if there are existing spaces, no, with the LGU that they can help at least, no, for us to use. If none, Your Honor, then we rent, Your Honor, and we have the funds to lease for our judges and our courts. So yun naman po, ready naman po ang Supreme Court, no, regarding that one.
Thank you for that clarification. So I think we've tackled the Silang RTC bill.
Mr.
But I'd
Chair.
like to acknowledge Congressman Fresnedi who's
Mr. Chair.
online and Congressman Ruth Hernandez, Governor Ruth.
Mr.
Congressman Loyola
Yeah.
is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. With regards to the issue on the number of cases emanating from the municipality of Silang, per information given by the Office of the Clerk Court of Tagaytay, of the Regional Trial Court of Tagaytay, to my Chief of Staff, Attorney Miriam Mota, there were more or less 5,000 cases emanating from Silang filed and heard in the different salas of the Regional Trial Court in Tagaytay City.
Pero kagad may malilipat kagad sa docket nung newly created.
Yes, Mr. Chairman. And with regards to the issue on availability of land for the establishment of the Regional Trial Court building in the municipality of Silang, I have here with the certification issued by the municipal mayor of Silang, Attorney Anarna, that they are allocating 500 square meters of land for the establishment of the Regional Trial Court building in the municipality of Silang. I am submitting it with as part of the record, Mr. Chairman.
Again, Comsec, can you retrieve the document being provided by Congressman Loyola and let that be part of be incorporated as part of the records of these proceedings? Thank you.
That will be all, Mr. Chairman. Thank you.
Thank you, Congressman Loyola. I think we have tackled Senate Bill 6580 extensively, and I think without objections on the part of my colleague here present, we can now submit House Bill 6580 to the plenary, subject to a technical working group to include the computations made by the Department of Justice as well as the DBM and the other factors that can be provided by the Philippine Judges Association and the Prosecutors League of the Philippines. So without objection on the part of my colleagues, the Bill 6580 is submitted to the plenary subject to a technical working group.
Thank you,
Same is
Mr.
hereby
Chairman.
approved.
And thank you to all the members of this esteemed committee.
Thank you.
Permission to leave, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you. Congressman Loyola is busy with his plebiscite, and I wish you all good luck. The best of luck.
Thank you, Chairman.
For the newly created city of Carmona. Thank you. We now proceed to House Bill 6586, filed by Congressman Laarni Roque, creating 3 additional branches of the Regional Trial Court in the 10th Judicial Region, stationed in the city of Valencia, province of Bukidnon. Congressman Roque, you have the floor for your introductory statements.
Good morning, Your Honors. Good morning, Senator Francis Tolentino, Chairperson of the Committee on Justice and Human Rights. Also to our Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa. Good morning. To my fellow legislators, to our representative who we just had earlier, Representative Roy Loyola, and to the members who are online right now, and to all our resource persons and our dear public servants. Good morning once again. This representation is honored to sponsor House Bill 6586, otherwise known as an act creating 3 additional branches of the Regional Trial Court in the 10th Judicial Region to be stationed in the city of Valencia, province of Bukidnon, and appropriating funds therefor. Amending for the purpose Section 14K of Batas Pambansa bilang 129, otherwise known as the Judiciary Reorganization Act of 1980 as amended. We are all fully aware that several provinces, not only in Bukidnon, urgently need additional regional trial court branches for a collective goal. That is to have a swift court procedure of all cases filed to lessen the number of backlog as we now experience. Hence, we pray for the passage of this measure. Sincerely, this representation, together with the leadership of the province of Bukidnon, thank the chairman of the Senate Committee on Justice and Human Rights, as well as the members of this committee in considering our bill before this committee for deliberation. Thank you po, and mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Thank you, Congressman Roque. The same questions, same recurring questions on the part of Office of the Court Administrator. Pero ako may tanong muna ako, why Valencia? Bakit sa Valencia po yung pagdadalhan natin ng regional trial court? I have here a document coming from the Supreme Court. 133 lang po sa Valencia, kaso. So, why Valencia po, ma'am? And then the same recurring questions to be answered by the Court Administrator, Department of Justice, the DBM, and then reaction coming from the Philippine Judges Association as well as the newly arrived representative of the Prosecutors League of the Philippines. Ma'am.
Yes po, Mr. Chair, thank you po. Actually, as of now, out of the 22 municipalities in the province of Bukidnon, actually 20 municipalities and 2 cities in the province of Bukidnon, ang LGU po ng Valencia ngayon ang pinakamalaki. Actually, konti na lang po pwede na po siyang maging loan. Sa pagka-ngayon po, on the 4th District of Bukidnon, wala pa po talaga kaming RTCs. So, kung pwede po sana, mapagbigyan po kami at mabigyan na po kami ng... Para hindi na po masyadong nagbabiyahe po yung mga tao namin. Bagong distrito lang po ang 4th ng Bukidnon. Kakatapos lang po ng 3rd term ng husband ko po.
Very reasonable and justified,
Yes,
Your Honor.
Po.
Justice Villanueva?
Yes po, Your Honor, thank you. We confirm, Your Honor, that there is no regional trial court in Valencia, which is a very progressive city already in Bukidnon. And many of the cases within the jurisdiction of or cognizable by the regional trial court are actually filed in the RTCs of Malaybalay. And we feel that there are enough cases coming from this city that can be handled by regional trial courts to be stationed in Valencia City. Likewise, Your Honor, may we just, of course, add to our comment that when this proposed bill is approved and is enacted into law, that and regional trial courts are established in or created in Valencia City, that we need to at least provide funding for the Hall of Justice, together with the Office of the Clerk of Court. And then likewise, we submit, Your Honor, that the Supreme Court should be allowed to determine the areas to be within the jurisdiction of the RTC Valencia, because Malaybalay covers so many municipalities in Bukidnon, Your Honor. So we will have to determine which municipalities and cities will be included aside from Valencia. That's why we expect that this will be handling numerous cases, not only coming from Valencia but in other municipalities, as may be determined by the Supreme Court, Your Honor. Thank you.
I suppose, Your Honor, Congresswoman, that Valencia can offer a wide tract of land to accommodate a regional trial court, 2 regional trial courts. Thank you, Your Honor.